Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Thursday, March 13th, 2008. Sprint Nextel Corporation will give investors an update on its capital spending intentions for a network based on WeMax during its first quarter earnings call, a Sprint executive told Reuters. Sprint has been criticized by investors for its plan to spend $5 billion on the high-speed wireless WeMax network. The company has said it is reviewing the plan and looking for outside financing help on the project, known as Zoom. Staying with capital markets news, Amsterdam-based Royal Philips Electronics is planning to raise as much as $1.1 billion by selling part of its stake in LG Display Company, Bloomberg News reports. Philips is offering 23 million shares or 6.4% stake at about $44 each. The offer is a discount of as much as 8.1% to the unit's closing price in Seoul yesterday. And in other capital markets news, Russia's Akbar's bank is expected to close a $75 million syndication loan this week, according to Trade Finance. Commerce Bank Group, ICICI Bank, Landesbank Berlin, West LB, and Banco Finantia are bookrunners on the loan. Proceeds from the loan will be used to trade finance purposes. Syndication for the deal was launched on February 27th and expected to close March 20th. The one-year facility carries a margin of 150 basis points, a significant increase on a similar deal undertaken for the bank only months earlier. Speaking to Trade Finance Managing Director David Pepper with Global Loan Syndications at West LB, he said pricing in Russia, particularly when lending to financial institutions, has risen significantly as a result of the credit squeeze since the third quarter of 2007. And in capital markets news in Asia, Motorola has received interest in its handset unit from foreign telecom equipment makers, according to MergerMarkets.com. Merger Markets cited a source and banker as saying leading Asian telecommunications equipment and device makers are interested in discussing a partnership with the Motorola unit after initially rejecting a deal. Motorola said in January it would explore a structural realignment with its businesses, with one option including the possible separation of its mobile devices unit. Chinese mobile phone maker ZTE told Reuters last month that it was in talks with Motorola about wider cooperation. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Capital Markets channel online and read the latest developments.